Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Corner, where learning English is simple, real, and useful for everyday life. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. Hello to all our listeners, especially those who want to feel more confident speaking English in real situations, like visiting a doctor.
Hi, Paul. Yes, today's topic is super important and maybe even life-saving. We're talking about how to talk to a doctor in English, understanding symptoms and diagnosis.
That's right. Today's episode is called Talk to a Doctor in English, Symptoms and Diagnosis Made Easy, English podcast.
We'll help you learn the most useful English phrases to describe how you feel, ask questions, and understand what your doctor says.
All right, let's start with this. When you go to the doctor, the first question they usually ask is, "What brings you in today?"
That means they want to know why you came. You can answer like this. I'm not feeling well. I've been feeling sick for a few days. I have a stomach ache. I feel dizzy.
Good examples. You can also describe your symptoms by saying, "My throat hurts, I have a cough, I have a fever, I feel tired all the time."
Yes. And if you don't know how to say something, it's okay to point and say, it hurts here.
Exactly, that's simple and clear.
Now let's talk about some useful questions you can ask the doctor.
Here are a few examples. What's wrong with me? Is it serious? Do I need medicine? How long will it take to get better? Can I still go to work or school?
Those are great. And if you don't understand what the doctor says, you can politely ask, could you please repeat that? Can you explain that in simple words? What does that mean?
Perfect. It's always better to ask than to guess.
Let's practice a short conversation. Paul, as doctor.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem today?
Good morning, doctor. I've had a bad cough for 3 days and my throat really hurts.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little, around 38 degrees.
Okay, I'll check your throat. It looks a bit red. You might have an infection. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor. How often should I take it?
3 times a day after meals.
That's a clear, natural conversation you might have at a real clinic.
All right, let's go over some common symptoms vocabulary.
Sure. Headache, pain in your head. Fever, high body temperature. Cough, when you can't stop making a k sound. Sore throat, pain when you swallow. Stomach ache, pain in your belly. Back pain, pain in your lower or upper back. Runny nose, when your nose drips. Dizzy, when the room feels like it's spinning.
Those are the most common words you'll use when describing how you feel.
Now let's talk about what the doctor might say to you.
Here are some common doctor phrases. You need to rest, drink plenty of water, take this medicine twice a day, you'll feel better in a few days, come back if it gets worse.
And if they give you a prescription, you can say, where can I buy this medicine? Should I take it before or after meals? Can I take this with my other medication?
Excellent. That's exactly what you need to ask at the pharmacy, too.
Let's do one more mini dialogue, this time at the pharmacy. Hello, I have a prescription from my doctor.
Sure. Let me see. Here's your medicine. Take 1 pill in the morning and 1 in the evening.
Thank you. Should I take it with food?
Yes, take it after meals with water.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
That's perfect English for the pharmacy.
Let's do a quick practice and review. Repeat after us.
I don't feel well.
I have a headache and a fever.
Could you explain that again?
How often should I take the medicine?
Thank you, doctor.
Great job, everyone. You've just learned how to talk to a doctor, describe your symptoms, and understand their advice.
Yes, these phrases will help you feel confident the next time you visit a clinic or pharmacy.
Remember, your health is important, and communication helps you get the right care.
Thank you for joining us today on Mr. English Corner.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English or living abroad.
And tell us in the comments, when was the last time you visited a doctor? What phrases did you use?
We'd love to hear your answers. Stay healthy and see you next time.